Hi guys, today we are playing Don't Press the Button with Flame today. Wait, what is happening?
There is houses on fire.
Yeah, I can see that flame.
We need to put them out.
Wait, fire, I didn't know. You join.
Yep, I did. Now, let's get these homes not on fire.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Found one. I wonder where we are going to go next.
This place looks creepy.
We have to avoid getting infected by the zombies.
Why zombies?
IDK. Noob, I am a zombie.
Me too.
I guess let's get the people.
I wanna be nice thou.
Brr, you're a zombie, get used to it.
Well,
I will get these people. Ow. What was that?
now you're not a zombie.
Oh, flame balls don't kill me.
Okay.
This guy is following me.
Oh earth.
Is that all you got to say? Can't you help me?
Nope, me a zombie.
Brr.
Good thing we are out of there. I hate being a zombie.
I wonder where we will go next.
A math question.
I might know what the answer is. Why do we have to reach to the end?
B, there is a huge tsunami coming.
All right, then let's hurry.
All right, we finally made it.
Wow, there is a whole beach here.
Come relax with me, dragon.
Okay.